That right there is a mosquito. Two mosquitoes outside because they could smell the blood. That mosquito wants a piece of the act. Look at these mosquitoes.
Oh, there's another one.
Yep, they're all over. We cannot leave this tent.
Qu'attendez-vous de moi? Je le dis rien. Je le dis rien. Je le dis rien.
So this is what you call not so glamorous backpacker cooking. So we call this gas stove ramen. In this case, we are cooking up this Korean spicy beef. This is some Pinot Gris from Church Road, region that's known for their Pinot Gris because of their warmer climates.
Asian inspired dishes, which is exactly this. Asian inspired.
I guess that
so
counts.
down. Let's do this.
Still tasty. Should go nice with this Pinot Gris, which has been carefully poured into these made in Korea mugs. See? It's backwards, but that's backwards for Korea. Cheers to that. Cheers to that. It's backpacker life, but
Bougie.
we drink out of mugs.
But it's a fine Pinot Gris.
This was like a relatively cheap bottle of wine. It was like 20 bucks. Cheers. For backpackers, yes. This is the dream right here. I have a lot of dreams in these videos. One of them was to have a bed in a caravan that was elevated because I love elevated beds. This is the other dream. To wake up, open up the curtains, the flaps of my tent, and then look out amongst the water and then see just dolphins galloping about.
The water.
Cheers to you, God, and your many wondrous creatures and things that you've created, including this Pinot Gris. Cheers. Cheers to that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that view. That really is quite lovely. Beautiful sunset. Actually enjoying this because it's forecasted to be raining for the next couple days. So soaking it in while we still can. It's beautiful. All right. Time to help with dinner. So the tricky part about cooking with a gas stove is wind. The moment you get a gust of wind, it's gonna blow this thing, and good luck trying to boil anything. When you buy this particular gas stove, which we got at the Kmart for 20 bucks, it comes in this plastic container, which also acts as a pretty awesome windshield. You waste less butane trying to get that water to boil, and your noodles are cooked faster. So the noodles are ready. We are good to go. Another aspect about backpack cooking is something they don't really talk about, and that's one pot cooking. When you're backpacking, you don't always have a kitchen sink to clean your stuff in, so you want to reduce as much usage of pots, pans, bowls, cutlery as possible, because you don't know when the next sink is gonna come around. Basically, one pot cooking is you cook it in the pot and you eat it in the pot. And if you're eating with somebody else, like I am with Ling, we eat out of the same pot. Because at the beginning, we used to split our things with plates, and we're like, we're like basically tripling the amount of stuff we've got to clean. We've got the pot and the 2 plates. One pot cooking, cook everything in one pot, one thing to clean. Hot.
Qu'attendez-vous de moi? Puis-je vous
One pot cooking. Oh shit. On shot. Oh shit. Irashimasen. Gochiso sama deshita. Is this gonna turn into one of those mukbang videos where like 30 million people tune in on Twitch to watch some guy eat ramen for 3 hours? My mukbang video is one pot ramen and a corned beef sandwich. Let's see how many people I could get watching that if I stream that. Delicious sulfites and sodium. And onion, making it healthy because it's got vegetables. This really does not look appetizing. It looks like dog food.
It can't be dog food because there's onions.
Yeah, dog food doesn't have onions in it. Geniuses. Okay, that's enough with the beautiful sunset. We're actually getting eaten alive now by mosquitoes. So on that note, I'm gonna end this video. Thanks guys for watching the glamorous and not so glamorous side of backpacking. We try to class it up with a little bit of wine. It's what I need to kind of feel like I'm still back at home, because there was a time in my life when wine was a commodity and was easy to come by. So it's little things like that. I don't mind the corned beef sandwiches that looks like dog meat, and I don't mind the ramen. It's cheap, it keeps me full, and it keeps me happy. It keeps my soul happy. I'm gonna end this video, and I hope that next week you guys are still watching. I hope so. I really do. On that note, take care guys, and I'll see you in the next video.